Hi. Last week, everyone took a quiz on finding books in the library catalog. I found that fourth graders in particular had difficulty with one of the questions about finding nonfiction books. So we're going to do a quick refresher. The first thing I want you to remember is to get to the library catalog on your computer or any computer with an internet connection. You can go to ccsd93.com and click on the Students tab. Once you are on the Students page, on the left under Links, look for CCSD93 Library and click. Find your school and click again. Here I am at the library catalog. Last week, we did a search using the word porcupine. I had you type in porcupine and hit return. You had 14 results. I asked you questions about those results. One of the questions I asked was about which books were nonfiction. So that we can see the call numbers of each book, which is how you can tell what kind of book you're looking for, I'm going to actually come up here to the Sort By button, select call number, and click Go. Now, as we look at our 14 results, we can see that there are 3 that have numbers in the call number. There are a number that have a call number that starts with the letter E, one that starts with ER, and 3 that start with F. If you think back to what we've learned in the past, an F to start a call number means the book is fiction. It's in the fiction section and is a novel. ER is a new section created this year. That's Emerging Reader. Those are simple, short books with lots of pictures and sometimes a little or a lot of words, but they're designed for kids who are still working on learning to read. The E stands for everybody, and that means picture books. Lots and lots of pictures, relatively few words, although they can be enjoyed by people of all ages. They're typically fiction stories. They are made up, just like the stories in fiction books. As I scroll up, at the top, I can see that I have 3 books that have numbers in the call number. Numbers in the call number to start indicate that our book is in the nonfiction section. These books are true. They are good for learning facts, for using for research projects, and for any time you want to read something that is true. So, my 3 books that start with numbers are nonfiction titles. Some of you were confused because there were 2 call numbers that looked very similar. They both start 599.35. One then has MAC, the other has MUR. You might remember that that indicates the first 3 letters of the author's last name, but the numbers in a nonfiction book call number indicate where on the shelf you can go to look for a nonfiction book. I hope this clears up any problems you may have had last week when you were trying to figure out how many books on porcupines I had were actually true or nonfiction books. Bye.